In this video, we are going to learn what is meant by gene pool and allelic frequency. We have so far looked at how genes and their alleles are passed between individuals in a population. Let us now consider the genes and alleles of an entire population. A population contains the total number of one species in a particular area at a specific time. Because all the members of a population are the same species, then they have the potential to interact and breed with each other. Now, the genetic makeup of an individual is the individual's genotype. And each population consists of many genotypes. Altogether, they will make up the population's gene pool. So, we can say that a gene pool consists of all the genes of all the members of the population. For example, every human being on Earth is able to interbreed with one another as a single species. Now, the human gene pool is therefore made up of every allele variant of the approximated 20,000 human genes within our DNA. So, we have genes for the eye color, hair color, skin color, and so on. And all the alleles for these genes will make up the human gene pool. Now, what is also important is the allelic frequency. So, what do we mean by allelic frequency? Well, an allele is a version of a gene. Allele frequency refers to how frequently a particular allele appears in a population. For instance, if all the alleles in a population of pea plants were purple alleles or capital W, then the allele frequency of W would be 100% or 1. However, if half of the alleles were capital W or purple and half of them were white or small w, then each allele would have an allele frequency of 50% or 0.5. So, in general, we can define the allele frequency as frequency of allele capital A equal the number of copies of allele capital A in population divided by the total number of capital A small a gene copies in a population.